Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite diva here, back again with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new Colourpop Neon Festival collection. I'm so excited because neon is so on trend right now, and with being Coachella literally next weekend, bitch, I have to get ready. And also with it being Colourpop, I'm gonna be saving my diva dollars. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big old thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what are some of your favorite Colourpop products. Are you into the whole neon trend right now? I am personally loving it, and I think this collection is so much fun, and I'm so excited to dive into it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so now just pulling everything out of the bag. We have 8 new pressed glitter eyeshadows. These are so beautiful, you guys, so reflective. And then we have 4 new pressed pigments, and these are so neon, you guys. I am obsessed. 3 new So Juicy glosses. 4 new cream gel liners. And then we also have this stunning white mascara, you guys. I've actually never seen a white mascara, and I'm super excited to try this today. Okay, so now time for some swatches. I'm actually not going to be swatching every shade because, as you guys know, the brands will usually swatch them on their own channel. So I will have Colourpop's video linked down below if you guys want to see everything swatched. But I am going to swatch my favorite shades. And first I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Light Show, you guys. It is super pretty. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh, I'm so upset you guys cannot see it. It's coming off very gold, which there is a little bit of gold in there, but it's mostly blue and green. Now I'm going to be trying this rose gold, which is called Indio. I love rose gold, you guys. It is like one of my favorites. Wow, this is like a chrome. It's so pretty. The pink. My ring light is having a moment. This is so pretty, you guys. Look at this rose gold. It's like literally like, oh, I don't even know. Don't mind my Chewbacca arms. Oh my god. Next, for the pressed pigments, you guys. Oh my god. First of all, they're adorable. They're so cute. They're so small. I love the packaging. I love how all the packaging is different. You guys can see that these ones are green. Oh, almost dropped her. These are green and orange. I love that so much. Let's first go in with the shade Sandbar. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. Comes off very opaque. Wow. Period. Next, going with the shade 000 or 000. Ooh, what the fuck? I don't know. Oh, that was so... Don't mind my mess up, but this was so pigmented. Now let's go in with the shade Keep Scrolling. This is a nice neon yellow. Came off very opaque as well. This one might be splotchy. Yeah, it is a little bit, but still pretty pigmented. I'm actually surprised how well the pink and red performed. Now going in with the shade Seeing Stars. This nice purple. Wow, so these are extremely pigmented. I cannot wait to play with these. So I did just swatch the cream gel liners off camera. They are so pigmented, you guys, so neon. I'm so sorry that my lights are so bright. They are gorgeous, so I'm obsessed. So I want my look to match this really cute visor I got from Forever 21. How funny is that? I think in my recent video I said I didn't like Forever 21, but I was there with my friends and I seen this visor and I thought it was so cute. So I want to match my look up to this. So I'm thinking like glossy, pinky. But first I'm going to prime my eyes with the MAC paint pot. Now just patting this all over my lid because these are pressed pigments and I'm going probably in with a lot of color. I want it to be not just tapping it all over my crease. I'm playing with a lot of pressed pigments, and pressed pigments are basically eyeshadows, but they have a lot more pigment in them, and I want them to stick to my eyes. So this is just gonna ensure that, kind of like my life insurance for my mug. So starting off this quick and easy look, I'm gonna be using the shade 000 or 000. It's a nice red, and I'm just gonna apply this right on top of my lid. Well, guys, look at the pigment on this brush. And honestly, like, the little mirror in here is actually pretty good. Like, it's a nice mirror. Which is funny because it's like tiny. This is going on so pigmented. I'm just taking a tiny pigment at a time and just patting it on. And then I'm just gonna start blending up just a tiny bit. And because I'm using a sticky base right now, it is clinging to the shadow exactly how I wanted it to, but it might come across a little bit patchy, because as you can see, there's literally no fallout on my face. That's what we wanted. Now you guys, I'm going to be going in with the shade Sandbar, the nice magenta, and just blending out the crease. I am going to be taking this color kind of lightly. I want it to be like a crease color, you know, so we're just being light-handed with her. Like, it's actually insane how inexpensive Colourpop is. I cannot get over it. And their products are honestly so good. I do wish that Colourpop would have came out with a neon jelly much. You guys know I love the jelly muches. They are so much fun and so easy to work with. I definitely recommend them. But yeah, I think that would have been so cute. Diva, this shadow, she's everything. I'm living. I'm also going with these two eyeliners in my waterline, but I'm going with the yellow one in the inner corner. Okay, so now that I have the yellow in my inner corner, I'm kind of dragging it down just a little bit. Do you see how cute that is? Just like having the little yellow right there. I love that. Kind of opening our eye up more. And then adding the orange on the outer corner, just for a little bit of a contour. Oh wow, that's so pretty, you guys. I'm obsessed. Now I'm taking this super neon shade, Keep Scrolling. Basically what I tell these girls when they be looking at my man. But I'm taking this on my inner corner. And kind of tapping it on top of the inner part where we put the yellow, but not in our waterline. Because these are so pigmented, you have to be like literally careful because they're so pigmented. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera, applied a little bit of top mascara and a little bit of liner. And now I think I want to turn this look up a notch. This actually isn't a Colourpop product or part of this collection. This is a eye gloss. If you guys wanted just to spice up a look, you just add a little bit of gloss in the eye. I'm really taking hardly any and just patting it right onto the eye. Just to leave that glossy finish. Like literally, you guys, I took barely any. And I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm not going to add any more product because this is a gloss. It's very high shine. I like taking most of it onto my hand and then applying it onto the lid. The reason why I didn't use the gloss that's actually in this collection is because it's a plumping gloss, and I don't know about you, but I don't want my eyes to be plumped. Ooh, look at that, you guys. So cute. Okay, so I just applied a little pussy lash, is what I like to call it, a very small lash, just so we can let the neon show. And this is the Makeup Shack in the sale of Ibiza. I do want to add a little bit of the pressed glitter in this shade right here. This shade is called Hungry Ghost. And I'm just going to be applying this very sparingly in my inner corner. Now I'm going in with the So Juicy gloss in the shade NASA. I love this gloss, you guys. This gloss is amazing. You guys know I'm such a gloss girl. Gloss is my favorite part of my makeup. Wow. So juicy. Okay, so now that we applied our gloss, I'm going to go in with the mascara. And I'm just going to be applying this to my lower lashes. This is going to make everything pop. Wow, that looks so cool. Guys, the BFF mascara formula is so good, honestly. It thickens the lashes perfectly and gives them a little bit of length too. Look how cool that looks. I look like, what's that guy from Alice in Wonderland? I don't know his name. You know who I'm talking about. Bitch. This visor just completed the look. I am obsessed, you guys. So Coachella, you know, us Californians. Chella. Yeah, divas, so this is the finished look. I am obsessed with it, you guys. I can't believe that everything I put on my face today was under $10. Bitch, that's insane. Save your diva dollars. I'll have all prices and the links down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you guys come back. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you love neon, if you love Colourpop, and leave me a comment down below. What do you guys think about this collection? Is there anything from Colourpop that you guys love personally that I should try? I would love to know. And I will see you divas in the next one. Bye guys.